Hey guys, it's Haley and I'm back with another video. I have a haul video for you and I wanted to say really quick, I am just kind of in a wait and see stage to see what I'm going to do about the situation going on my channel. I'm just gathering a few more screenshots and emails, and yeah, then I'll decide what to do from there. But anyway, I have a haul from 2 different places for you. If you like anything that you see, just email me and I'll let you know where I got it. So, anywho, the first place I got like 3 household things, and the rest of it is crafty stuff. So I'm gonna leave the household things out of it and show you the crafty bits. I'll show you the boring stuff first. I got 3 of these, just regular PVA glue. I only had about 1/3 of a bottle left, and the other places I had looked, they were, more than $1, and that's the most I wanted to pay, unless, for that 4 ounces, unless I could find a really, large jug or something. But that was the best deal I found, so I grabbed 3 of those for $1 each. Yeah, I have the list next to me, so I know exactly how much each thing was. I got 2 different sketchbooks. This one, which looks like, but is not, a Strathmore sketchbook. It is just an off-brand. It's basic, which they sell, I think, at like $1. It's not something we have here in Oklahoma. It's like a 99-cent only store or something like that. I don't know. I've never been to one, but there was a lady I used to watch, Coupon to Provide, and she always really mentioned that brand. But anyway, so this one, I don't think it is perforated sheets. Nope, but it's a new type of paper. You guys know I like to use different types of papers in my junk journals. I love paper that has a spiral bound edge. I just think it looks really cool, whether it's torn or the spiral's taken out. That was $1.30. This, which I thought was going to be a little bit different, I think was the most expensive thing I got. Is it on the next page? Oh no, it's on this page. Yeah, it's $3. If I had bought it, if I had known beforehand, anyway. It is another sketchbook. It's has a toothy kind of feel to it. It's not super smooth. Pretty heavy little sketchbook. It's got the spirals and a perforated edge. So I guess it's just like a student or kids grade sketchbook. There's 50 sheets of fade-resistant, acid-free white paper. So anyway, I got a couple other basics. I just needed some regular sandwich-sized bags. Those were $1. Right, yep. And I got 3 other different types of bags. This one, this pack was $1. This pack was $1, and then this pack was they were also $1. They were all $1. These have like a little label spot to write on. I didn't know the different sizes in each bag, each one of these bags. So I wanted a variety. Obviously, this is a better deal because it looks like they come with the exact same different size bags, but you get 50 in this one and 36 in this one. And they're all $1. And then this one has 50 pieces. There's 25 of the larger green stripe and 25 of the smaller yellow stripe. And I needed just some more crafty storage bags. Oh, I got one other type of glue. I wanted to try this out. This 2 count was only $1 and I think it has one of those tips that's almost like a roll-on or yeah, and it says it will work for fabric. That's the top listing. Whether it does or not, it'll work for paper, I know, and I'm sure it'll be decent for $1.50 a tube. That's really a pretty good deal. Now to the fun stuff. So this was a find, and I am so glad I got it. It was $2. It is an Alice in Wonderland Classic Coloring 55 removable coloring plates. And this folds down so that you can take the pages out. These images are incredible. Incredible. Look at these. Heavy cardstock paper. This book was $2. $2. And the place I got it from, you only have to spend $25 to get free shipping. So I got an amazing, amazing deal, and this is my favorite thing that I got. Definitely the best deal. All right, these are the last things. I got these little tulip flowers. I thought they would look great with the botanical stuff. This pack, there's 13 stickers, but I think they're counting also each individual petal. Well, it says 13 count on here, and this says 12 pieces. I don't know. It was $1.20. Then I got this, and I thought they were bigger because they had the sizing on there online. But anyway, this pack was $1.10, and the centers looked a little bit different. So I may switch those out, but the flowers themselves are almost like vellum-y looking. They're actually really pretty cool. And then I got these packs. I got 2 of this type and 1 of this type, and they were $1.30 per pack. And these are, one of them at least I know is kind of off, so I'm going to pop it off and reposition it. But, and even like the packaging on here, like on the back, doesn't that look really cool? Anyway, this is Jolie's Boutique French General. I guess it's from their French General line. And this has the little, what did it call on this one? Matte resin flower stickers. And at first I thought they looked like crystals or a natural stone, but they all have different flower imprints on them. Really cool. And then these are the same thing. Again, this one looks like it has some jankiness on it, but no biggie. They are just some really, really cool different 3D elements that will look great in any sort of kind of vintagey project. So I got those. Then from another store, boring thing, I got 3 of these. It looks bigger on the camera than it is. I just wanted to show you the rounded edges. It's kind of a more unique shape, but it's one of those, it says 6.25 quart plastic boxes. They're kind of like the plastic shoebox size, and these were $1 each. And they have this clearish mint colored lid, rounded edges. Really cool. I needed some more of that size. I had bought 2 6-packs, I believe. Is that how many were in there? Nope, there was 5 in each. There was 5 or 6, and the packs were on sale for $3.24 at Target, and I got 2 of them. So I think there was 5 in each. So I had 10 total, and all but 1 is filled. And that one, my fiance, when he injured his toe, was soaking it in that bucket, and I don't care if I bleach it or not. I'm not using that for crafts. So anyway, I got some new ones, needless to say. Then I got this sheet of just individual or you could use them as a sheet, but I'm going to use them individually. Just some gold or nude toned gems. I got two things of acrylic paint, a red and a white. I just needed those for color mixing and things. And the last thing I got it to alter in a way and use, I'll just show you when I do it. But I got this little bunny. It was in their after clearance sale, 70% off. So it was, let's say it was 75% off. That's easier to do because that goes in quarters. Let me have, so 75 cents. And since it was actually 70 instead of 75, it was probably more around 85 cents. But anyway, really cool. I'm going to end up probably painting some parts of it and doing some other stuff to it, but I got that as well. And that is everything I got in my haul. So just wanted to show you what I got. I will be back to making my regular videos very soon. And yeah, for anybody that is interested. Oh, also I wanted to say, the secret word envelopes, they will, you can win once a month. Everybody can win once a month. It's US only. Doesn't matter who you are, where you are, as long as you're in the US, you can win. You up to 5 people in the first 24 hours. The first 5 people will be chosen, except new people that have never won before will get like the spots first, if that makes sense. So anyway, you can win once a month, and you don't actually have to write it in the comments. If you would prefer to email me and do it privately, just to kind of keep your name off the channel, totally fine with that. And I will just, you know, when I show the envelopes, leave people's names out of it to avoid any repercussions. So anyway, yeah, everyone can win once a month. If you want to do it 12 times a year, that is totally fine with me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.